I'm Nurse Chia from Eunos Polyclinic.
Nice to see everyone again. I'm dietitian Yipeng. We are back with a healthy yet delicious Thai fish cake recipe for you.
That's right. Today we will explore the vibrant flavors of Thai cuisine with our version of Thai fish cake, a beloved favorite for many. Preparing this dish may seem complicated, but it's worth every bit of effort when you taste the fusion of all elements: spicy, savory, sweet and sour, blended together in perfect harmony.
And here is the secret. It's all in the herbs and spices.
Let's kick off by gathering all our ingredients. We have some fish fillet, chopped basil, chopped long beans, red curry paste, egg yolk, kaffir lime leaf, and salt. To begin, get ready a slice of fish fillet. You can get the fishmonger to scale, clean, and fillet the fish for you when you buy it. With the fillet, scrape out the flesh and freeze it for at least 2 hours for better texture. Once chilled, blend the fish together with 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of curry paste. You need to blend it until it's smooth. Next, we'll need to transfer the whole thing to a bowl. Next, add in the chopped basil, chopped long beans, and slice up kaffir lime leaves. Mix well. And lastly, add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Instead of buying the curry paste from supermarket, you can prepare your own by incorporating some natural flavor enhancers like cilantro, shallot, garlic, truffle, chili, pepper, galanga, lemongrass, and Thai basil.
Definitely. Ensure your hands are slightly damp. Grab a spoonful of the mixture and shape it into a round disc. Let's pan fry the fish cake. Wait for the oil to get heated up before we lower the fish cake into the pan. Do it gently so that the oil don't splash on you.
This dish isn't just a treat for our taste buds, it's also high in protein, ideal for fueling our body and boosting our energy levels.
While we are waiting, shall we prepare some dipping sauce to go with the fish cake?
Sure, sister.
So we'll need some chopped up cucumber and onion, some roasted peanuts, and then some leftover kaffir lime leaves. And of course, Thai chili sauce. There you go, the dipping sauce is ready. Let's check on the fish. We can drain it on some kitchen towels to take away the excess oil. Our fish cakes are ready. We can plate and serve them up with some dipping sauce.
But do take note, if you are keeping an eye on your blood pressure, you might want to skip the dipping sauce to reduce sodium intake. The fish cakes are already flavorful as they are. Alternatively, you can switch to a lower sodium salt, which contains 35 to 45% less sodium than the regular table salt. Just remember, if you have high potassium levels in your blood test, it's best to avoid lower sodium salt.
Good tip, Yipeng. There you have it, a plate full of delicious, nutritious Thai fish cake. Thank you for joining us today in the kitchen, and make sure to give this recipe a try.
Be sure to tune in to the next episode for more healthy and exciting recipes. See you then.
Together, make it healthy with SHP.